Okay, children, mathematics fourth chapter, that is quadratic equation, exercise 4.3, fourth question we are going to start, right? So, is the following situation possible? Again, like a previous question, I mean, in the previous video, what we have checked, that is possible in the sense we have to go to nature of roots, that is, we have to check the discriminant, that is d value, b square minus 4ac, we have to check whether we are getting real roots or not real roots. If it's getting real roots, we have to say yes, it's possible. If we are not getting real root, we have to say no, it's not possible. Real root, there is a two way, one equal to 0, that means d value equal to 0 and d value greater than 0, that means any positive value can come. Understand? If you are getting any negative value, we have to say no, it's not possible, we have to say. Do you understand what I am telling? Right. Now let me go here. Listen, is the situation possible? Okay, we'll check now. If so, suppose if it is possible, determine their present age. So we have to find the present age, like that they are telling. So present age, then we have to assume as xy something what we are given the situation. Okay. Sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Sum of ages of two friends is what, my dear? 20 years they are telling. So let x comma y are present ages of two friends in year we are considering. Okay, in year we are considering. Understand? Right. So here the first condition, according to the question, the first condition they are telling that sum of ages of two friends, sum of the ages of two friends is 20. So that x plus y equal to 20. Is it okay? Sum in the sense add only. Am I right? Sum of ages of two friends is 20. Right. 4 years ago. 4 years ago in the sense what will happen in the present age? Which will minus? 4 can be subtracted. Okay. So then 4 we have to remove. Then 4 years ago. Here I will write then. Okay. Second condition. What is that? 4 years. Sorry. Ago. Then x minus 4 comma y minus 4 are ages of two friends. Ages of two friends. Is it okay? Ages of two friends. Is it okay? Dear friends. Is it okay, Daraja? So I didn't make box like a third chapter. Just I'm writing as it is. Now, what is the thing they are telling? 4 years ago, right? Fine. 4 years ago, I have written x minus 4 one one of the friend age, y minus 4 another friend age. Product of their ages in year was 48. When you product together, what I am getting it since 48 they are telling. 48 they are telling. That is second condition. Do you understand? Now take that first. From the first you find either x or y, substitute here, you will be getting the required. If I find y here, when you send x opposite, what I am getting? X minus. What I am getting? X minus. I am getting. Wait. This I will write x minus x. This is 1 I will take. Take that 1, substitute in the 2. Okay. So x minus 4 into, instead of y, what I am going to substitute? 20 minus x. This minus 4 as it is, which is equal to 48. This is I have done by 1. The changes which I made, it's done by 1 equation. Okay. Now x minus 4 into 20 minus 4, 16 minus 6, which is equal to 48. Now we have to multiply. How? X into 16 and x into minus x. Minus 4 into 16, minus 4 into minus a x. Understand? Shall we do it? Do it. X into 16, 16x minus x into minus x minus x square. Next 4 into minus 4 into 16 minus 64 minus into minus plus 4 into x 4x which is equal to 48. Do you understand? Right, now simplify again. First x 16x 4x, what you will be getting? 20x minus x square. Bring the 48 opposite, then minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. First x square you write, minus x square plus 20x. This will be what? Minus 112, right? 112 which is equal to 0. But which should not contain here, the coefficient of x square should be positive. Okay, so I'm going to multiple minus 1 on both sides or send all these things to the right hand side. Either these or that you do. I'm going to multiple by minus 1 only. So after I multiply, what I'm getting? Positive x square minus 20x positive 112 equal to 0. Have you understand? Now I'm going to do by what? Yeah, I factorization. So before that, prime factor will take, because I factor what we need 112. When you add, you should be get 20 minus 20. So 112. What it is? When I go to 5 times 6 times again to 28 again to 1. Yeah, what am I getting? 14 again 7. Okay. This is what? 8, 16. These together will take 4, 4, 7s are 28. Oh no, it's not possible. It's possible. 28, this is 4, man. We need 20, not 24. If I try 3 times 8, 8 and 14, 22. No, I need 20. Yeah, some other idea. Yeah. That will check, then will come. Yeah. Why I am going directly to solve this? Because in the situation, they said first you check, is it possible? Maybe it's not possible, so we are not getting it. Shall we check? Right. Good idea. Good idea. Super idea. So they asked to check, no? That we are doing. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is a? 1. What is b? Minus 20. What is c? 112. Okay. Now d, let me check. B square minus 4ac. B value is what? Minus 20 square minus 4. A value 1. C value 112. So when you square, what I am getting? 400 minus 4 into 112, 4, 4, 8. When I subtract, what I am getting? Minus 48. Yes, you're right. It's not possible. We are getting less than 0. Then what you will say? It has no real roots. So what you will write? Therefore, it has no real roots. That is, as per the question, as per the algebraic, we are writing no real roots. But as per the question, what we have to say? Not possible. That is, the situation is not possible. The given situation is not possible. I just write not possible. Not possible. That is very important answer. Not possible. What do you underline? Is it okay? Good. Yeah, one question you are getting not possible. We'll check one more also. Is it okay, children? Is it okay? First we have to check, is it possible or not possible? That's what they said very clearly. If so, you go for the determine the solution, they said. It's not. So you no need to go. Okay, good idea. Super. Now we are going to the next question, that is 5. Again here also, is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? So here also they asked to check whether the condition, the situation is possible or not. First we will check. They said that it's a rectangular park, it seems. So rectangular park in the sense, what is the perimeter of rectangle? Can you tell me, anybody? That's one. So if I take a rectangle ABCD, the length will be, if I take the length, if I assume as x, and breadth if I assume as y. What about perimeter? Here x, then opposite also x. BC is a y, then AD also y. Then what about perimeter? What about perimeter? Can you tell me? So here I am writing in a rectangle. In a rectangle, let length equal to x meter, and what is that? Breadth equal to y meter. Then what about perimeter? What about perimeter? Perimeter equal to, what is the formula? 2 times of length plus a breadth. That is 2 times of x plus y. Am I right? Am I right? And they're talking about area also. What about area? What about area of rectangle? Length into breadth. That means x into y. All those things I have in my hand. Now I can go to the condition. So first condition, what says, you just see, a perimeter, rectangular perimeter is what? 80. Okay, perimeter equal to, what they are telling, 80 meter. Perimeter I know from there, from where? Here in the top of one, 2 times of x plus y, which is equal to 80. When you cancel the 2, what I am getting? X plus y. Yeah, 40 I am getting. You make it answer number 1. Okay. Next condition I am going. An area. This is second condition. Okay, this is second condition. Area, which is equal to what they are given here? Yeah, 400 meter square. Area we know what it is, x into y. So x into y equal to 400. Okay, from here, from the first one, we just find either x value or y value, then substitute in the second condition. Okay, I'm going to find x or y will find. If I find y, 40 minus x, this I'm taking 1. Okay, take and substitute in here in the second condition. So x into y, y is what? 40 minus x equal to 400, and multiply the x inside. So yeah, 40x minus x square, which is equal to 400. X square should be positive. Here itself you send everything to right hand side, or if you bring the left hand side the 400, you have to multiply by -1. You think wisely. Better I will send whatever I have in left hand side, I am sending to right hand. Then here it's a 0 when I send opposite. X square when it goes opposite, plus x square. 40 when I send opposite, minus 40x. Here already it was 400. So we have to check whether it's square I didn't mention. And we have to check now, is it possible or not? Okay, shall we? Yeah. So what this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is a value, my dear? 1. B value minus 40. Minus 40, and c value plus 400. Right, fine. Now d is equal to, we know, b square minus 4ac. B value minus 40 minus 4 into a value 1, c value 400. 4 square 16 minus 4 square value plus 16, 0 square value 00 minus, again 4 4s are 16, 1 more 00. So what I am getting here? Yeah, we are getting d equal to 0. That means what it is meaning? Real and yeah, real and equal roots. That means it's real. When it is a real root, we have to say it's possible. The given situation is what, my dear? Possible. So that is possible. You just find what you have to write. This is possible, you write, or the given situation is possible, you write. Okay, it is possible. When it is a possible, where we have to go? Huh? To solve the equation. Then one more time, what is the rewrite the question here? What it is here? Not a question, the equation. This one. This one we have to read. Okay. What it is? X square. Yeah. Yeah. One more time I'm taking. So x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now we can go for the taking I factorization. So what I want to get 400 when you product, when I add minus 40, by looking itself we can say, yeah, 20 you will be getting what is that 400. When I add, if I want to get a minus 40, you give minus for both, you will be getting, okay, very easily. So minus into minus for plus, when you product, when you add, you will be getting minus, okay, right. Now coefficient is also 1, then by 1 when you divide also no changes in it. Variable is x minus 20 equal to 0 and x minus, what is that, 20 equal to 0, then x equal to 20 and one more x equal to 20, then both are possible. Here x value is the 20, then what is y value? Take substitute in the 1. What is 1 here? What is 1 here? I have 40 minus x, there you want to substitute, okay. Then you take, there is a 2 case, both are same value, so 120 I am taking, right. So 1 implies what I am getting, y equal to 40 minus x, x value is what, 20, then y equal to what I am getting, 20, so x also 20 and y also 20, then it means what it is, square, but square one of the rectangle, am I right? Here they said in the question it's a rectangle. Now rectangle cannot be a square, but square can be a rectangle, understand? It's possible. Okay, so therefore length equal to 20 meter and breadth equal to 20 meter. That is the given. They asked to find length and breadth. We got it. Is it okay, children? Is it okay? See, don't get confused. Both x and y we got a 20, so it became a square like that. Square also one of the rectangle. Why? Because square in the sense what? All the sides are equal. Rectangle in the sense what? Opposite sides are equal. Am I right? Here in the square, opposites equal. Have you noticed it? Before goes to all sides equal, the opposite sides are equal. Have you noticed it? Opposite sides equal. Have you noticed? In the quadrilateral, opposites equal. What we can say? Rectangle. That's what I am telling. So square can be rectangle. Square can be parallelogram. It's possible. Understand? It is possible. Right. That's what I said. It's not wrong. The given situation is correct, and what we received also correct. Do you understand, children? Is it okay? Right. Now I will show the first page to copy. That's it.